Hello, welcome back to Affiliate Offers. Now this is my Aurora account, and I have another account. This is the one I use to make this kind of videos. So on this account I have like two tasks available, and I just want to show you what the tasks are all about. So let's check them out. Now available task. So I've already accepted the first one. This one is all about people with objects, sequential removal. Now let me open it. And they've already accepted me for that. You can see I'm going to earn like $4, and the estimated time duration is 2 hours. Okay, so the task is all about taking photograph of a person removing 3 objects from a scene. Okay, so first of all, you take a photo of the person together with the 3 objects. And then you start removing them one by one as you take the photos. Okay, then you upload, and for that you're going to earn that $4. Okay, so all the instructions about it are included. Time per set is 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, each set shows one person interacting with 1 or 3 objects in a single environment. Okay, so everything you need to do, you will be shown. Okay, so I believe by now you already have Aurora account. If you don't have, then you need to apply. Registration link in the description. Then you download the app. Now let me show you another task. This is the first one. Let me show you another one. Now that's the first one. Then another one is layering real world scene photography. So let's see what this is all about. Now I have like 2 days to complete this task, only after accepting it. I haven't accepted this. So real photography to build a realistic scene. I haven't gone through this, and this one the estimation time per set is 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the type of gigs you will receive will be different, might be different from the ones I have, because it depends with the type of profile you have. Okay, so goal of this is create realistic scene using 3 to 5 objects. Photograph each asset separately and one final full scene. Okay, so I'll take time and read about this, then see if I can do it, but I'm still going to accept it. So let me just accept it now. Accept. Okay, strictly confidential, any information, blah 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 blah. Accept. Can only select one task and won't be able to complete any other. Okay, all right then. Okay, then I'll accept it after finishing the other one. So I hope you'll take the initiative to register, and you can get this kind of gigs, and this can give you that $3 to $5 every day, even once a week. You won't get the gigs every day, you might get them once. So don't depend on this kind of jobs, because they are not they're not sustainable. Okay, so you need to develop a skill. These are kind of jobs you can do without a skill, but I don't think in the next 2 to 3 years this kind of gigs will be available. Okay, because AI is learning fast, and it is becoming brighter than us. So you need to start developing a new skill and stop depending on this kind of accounts. Okay, until next time, hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.